Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Mohit. So in this video, I'm going to tell you how to install MongoDB in Ubuntu 16. So before installing, let's check the official documents from this website, doc.mongodb manual tutorial install MongoDB on Ubuntu. So installing in on Ubuntu is very easy process. Okay, so you no need to go anywhere, no need to check, no need to do any manual installation. Everything will be automatic. Whatever you use the version of Ubuntu. So see, there is a installation for Ubuntu 20, for 18 as well as for 16. I'm using 16 version. Okay, you can choose anything. So based upon that version, you can choose your tab. So first of all, we need to create a list. This one for your version of Ubuntu. So I'm using 16 version. So for that, I'm just copying this command. So there is a button called copy. Just copy this one and go to the MongoDB, go to your Ubuntu. So this terminal is ready. If you don't know how to use terminal, just go there and click the terminal. You can see terminal here. Okay, so my terminal is already open. Okay, before running this command, okay, if you run this command, that's okay right now. Give the password. So before running this command, please check that your internet is working. So I'm using a VMware, or you can say I'm using a virtual environment. So in the virtual environment, please check the internet settings. So if just for clarification, if I ping the google.com, I'm getting reply. So it means that my internet is working fine. So let's see the next command. So next is reload local packages database. Issue the following command to reload the local package database. So we have to do this one. We can't skip this step because whatever we added the list, we have to update our system. System is getting updated. So internet is necessary for this command because you can see HTTP security Ubuntu means it is connecting to internet and getting something from its website. And you can see there is a downloading process is going on. I am fast forwarding the video. So you can see we have completed the process. Now let's see the next step. So there is a command sudo apt-get install y mongodb org. If you want to install the specific versions of everything, because there is a complete suite, MongoDB, MongoDB server, MongoDB shell, there is a Mongo shell there, MongoDB Mongo. If you want to use specific versions, so you can use this command. You can mention here the specific version you want. Otherwise, if you want the default suite, so you can use this command exactly. Just remove y from this one. So I'm not using y here, just using. So now you can see after this operation 200 MB of additional disk space will be used. So just we have no option. Okay, we have to press Y. Again, install this package without verification. Yes, because we don't have option because this is good packages. So I don't want to check verify, but I am installing this one for the reading purpose, for the experiment purpose, for the learning purpose. That's why I don't want to authenticate. But if you're working on the um, any organization, so you can use verification steps. Otherwise, you can skip that. So now you can see MongoDB. First is Mongo database tool. So installation is largely depend upon your internet connection speed. Currently, I'm not getting my good speed. So now you can see the installation of Mongo shell. Now Mongo server. Now MongoDB Mongos. So you can see we have installed everything. Just type the Mongo. Okay, so it means that we need to start the MongoDB server. Okay, so let's get back to the website. So you can see these are the directories, directories of MongoDB created during the installation, and this is a configuration file, MongoDB conf. And in order to start MongoDB, we can use this command. So this is a copy button, copy this command and paste it here. So done. Now let's see the next one. So we are not getting any error. So let's see the status of that. So this is a daemon actually, MongoDB, D for daemon here. Okay, so if you want to check daemon is running or not, so we can check the status. So here I'm checking the status. So you can see the main process ID is this one. It means that it's working. Okay, so means it is running fine. If you use the Mongo again, you can see the Mongo shell. Okay, so now we are in the Mongo shell. You can check that. You can type any command. Let's check what are the commands available for the Mongo. So you want to stop the service, you can use this one sudo service mongod stop. And if you want to remove the packages, you can use sudo apt-get purge mongodb org. To remove the directories, you can check this command. So everything written on the website. Sometimes we need extra guideline. Sometimes we need help, need extra help. So everything written on the website. You can see that. So let's check this. Let's write some command on this one. So press DB. Let's see it's working fine or not. DB test. So these are the database in the database. That is the default database. So that is a database here, default database test. If you want to use that, you can use test. Okay, switch to, or if you want to create your own database, you can use Mohit or any name just like technology, techno. Okay, so I'm writing just my name. So switch to the DB Mohit. It means that the DB, if you check the DB right now, there are DBs Mohit. Okay. So it means that if you want to create another one, use tag. And if you check the DB, you can see it's tag DB. Okay. Exit from this one. So this is the MongoDB installation. We have successfully installed the MongoDB software. Thank you very much for watching this video. And please like, subscribe, and share the videos.